Ready to fix your MetaQuest 3 controller? Let's dive into some quick and easy fixes. First up, check the battery. Make sure it's in right and has enough juice. Try a fresh one if needed. Next, power cycle your headset and controllers. Turn them off, wait a few seconds, and power back up. Easy peasy. Got dust bunnies? Use compressed air around the thumbsticks and buttons. Wipe surfaces with a microfiber cloth, running any third-party covers or attachments. Remove them to see if they're causing the issue. Still no luck? Unpair and repair your controllers using the MetaQuest app. Follow the on-screen steps and you're good. For thumbstick drift, recalibrate in settings or try cleaning with compressed air. Be careful with contact cleaner. If buttons or triggers are stuck, check for obstructions and clean gently. Test across different apps too, and if all else fails, consider a factory reset. But remember, it erases all settings. For persistent issues, contact Meta support or look into professional repair.